What's up, guys? Chile is back again today. I got new step bars for my truck. I'm gonna install these bad boys today. Here they are, the Magnum Raptors. Here's my truck. I am gonna replace the stock steps. I'm gonna get rid of those. I want a more off-road look. Done a few mods to my truck lately. I got new rims and tires. I got Flowmaster put on with the custom black tip. Changed out my back lights. I got the tonneau cover. I got that brake light. Changed out the old bow ties, put on black ones. These here, I'm gonna actually, on another video, I'm gonna turn these all black. I just bought them, but first I'm gonna do the step bar. Do a little walk around. It has a 3.5-inch lift, super lift. Can't really see, but there's a little spacer in there. And then I put on this little bug shield here, and then changed out this one to a black bow tie as well. Oh, and then I had just bought this, my little stubby antenna. But today we're gonna replace those with these. All right, guys. Little update. Took one off. It's hot as hell out here. It's about 90-something degrees, SoCal. Here it is. Makes the truck look a lot taller. All right, guys. I got one on. After a lot of work by yourself, it's kind of tough. I recommend you guys have a partner to hold this stuff up, because I had these jack stands. It's not fun. All right, let's flip it around. Let's do the other side. What's up, guys? Here's the finished product. Recommend having a buddy to help you, because this sucks doing it with one person. If you do it by yourself, make sure you guys have some jack stands, because it helps a lot. That's the finished product, guys. Those are the Raptor Magnum step bars. Looks legitness.